What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch, YouTube representing the birds. Before we start this video, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Mitch channel. Also, subscribe to the Birds of Broad Street YouTube channel with me, Simone, One Trey Rock, Smitty, and Notion Gang. Also, subscribe to the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel with me and MK Mitch Kowalski. And also, subscribe to the Y'all Still Them Boys YouTube channel where I deal with them straight rats, the Dallas Cowboys. So please, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and comment to the CoolCat-Connor, Birds of Broad Street, Y'all Still Them Boys, and the CoolCat-Mitch YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. September 4th, the Philadelphia Eagles will kick off the 2025 NFL season as the defending Super Bowl champs. They will raise a banner and we will celebrate Simone Staley's birthday early. But who will our Week 1 opponent be? Let's break it down and talk about it right now. What's up, y'all? It's the most entertaining Eagles content creator in the game. Your boy, B.O.B.S, CoolCat-Mitch YouTube, representing the Super Bowl champion Philadelphia Eagles. 119 days. 119 days till the Philadelphia Eagles kicks off the 2025 NFL season. Your boy will be in the building. Simone Staley will be in the building. We'll be celebrating her birthday a little bit early. Her birthday's on the 5th. We'll be celebrating it on the 4th. One Trey Rock will be in the building. Smitty Eagle will be in the building. Birds of Broad Street will be in the building. And we will watch a bear drop once again. I can't wait. Tickets go on sale next week when the NFL schedule be released. I can't wait. I can't. Woo! And we talked about who should be the Philadelphia Eagles' Week 1 opponent this past couple of days. We talked about the Detroit Lions. We talked about the Washington. We talked about the Street Rat Pack, the boys in Dallas. And now we're going to talk about the LA Rams. Everybody and their mama has been saying that the Rams are the only team that is the biggest threat to your Philadelphia Eagles because they was this close of defeating the Philadelphia Eagles in the divisional round. This close. Right? That game was, woo, right? Jalen freaking Hurts got sacked a couple of times, right? The Rams, led by Matthew Stafford, was driving down the field. Like, it was crazy. It was. It was crazy. But thanks to Mr. God, tell me where you been. They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why. And Saquon Barkley. I swear Saquon Barkley is the best. All the Eagles, man. All the Birds. Because of those two, we advanced to the NFC Championship game and then the Super Bowl, and we won the whole mother effing. So yes, Yes, the LA Rams are a challenge. And they will be a great week 1 opponent if it's them. But I want this to be put in the heads of Ram fans, if there is any, right? I want this to be put in your head. We own the Rams. We got a penthouse in the hills of Beverly Hills. That's where I want to be. With me? Living in Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills. That's where I want to be. Give me. Dancing in Beverly Hills. We got a penthouse of the hills of Beverly Hills. We're the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air in LA. Cause my quarterback, Jalen is the L versus the Rams. 3 and haven't lost. Y'all know Jalen freaking Hurts has an undefeated streak versus some of these teams, like Packers, the Bears, the Lions, the Rams. Right. We own the Rams. We have defeated you in the past. So, like, and besides, the only reason why people think this close, this is what happened, right? Matthew Stafford was driving down the field. He was. But one of the offensive line in third down, one of the offensive line of the Rams forgot to put a stop to Mr. Carter, Jalen Carter. And I think either Cooper Kupp or Puka Nacua, who was covered by Slay, didn't see the ball in fourth down. Like, he didn't even see the ball. Matthew Stafford threw it. It was incomplete. But, yeah. Blame Puka or Cooper Kupp, whichever one that was, and blame your offensive line for not getting the job done on third and fourth down. Because one of those guys didn't stop Mr. Carter. So I understand, Rams. I understand. But I want this inside your head, okay? We have a penthouse in the hills of Beverly Hills. We own you. Jalen Hurts is 3-0 versus y'all. We own y'all. Jalen Carter, y'all should have had an offensive line to stop Jalen Carter. And whether it was Puka or Cooper Kupp, one of them wide receivers should have had their eyes open on the ball and try to, instead of not being covered by Slay. So yeah, man, listen. Rams, it would have been a great game. I know some of y'all complaining because of the snow. Y'all complain about the snow? I know full well y'all ain't complaining about no snow. I know full well y'all ain't complaining about no snow. It was snowing in Philly. And? So what, it was snowing in Philly? You played in Green Bay versus Green Bay Packers. You played in Kansas City. Like the snow. What? So, Rams, it bees what it bees. It is what it is. We'll see how things go. But if it's y'all week 1, there won't be no snow. And there won't be no excuses for the birds whooping that ass.
Fly, Eagle, fly on the road.